Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to help us to assess general education competency number 4. What you'll see here is a list of general education competencies that are agreed upon by all community colleges here in New Jersey. We are currently assessing general education competency number 4, which is this technological competency, across all of our courses on campus to get a snapshot of how students are doing. General education number 4 competency, this technological competency, has a pretty general learning goal. What you'll see here is the learning goal. Students will use a computer or other appropriate forms of technology to achieve an education or personal goal. That's pretty general, right? So I'm going to show you inside of one of my courses here. This is my English 202 course, Speech Communication. And within this course, I have discussion posts, weekly discussion posts that I assign to my students. One of my discussion posts is right here, where I ask them to watch a video. It's a YouTube video, and then to answer some questions. Just the fact that they watch the video and then they use Canvas to go ahead and answer those questions show me that they're using technology to achieve a personal goal. So this is a pretty, or an educational goal. This is a pretty easy outcome to measure. So in order to measure this, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add a rubric to this discussion post. Now, once I click on Add a Rubric, I'm going to come on down here to where it says Find Outcome. Now, the GenEd number 4 competency should be in every single instructor's course already. Tony Thomas had already inserted that for us. So you should have a list over here of any of the outcomes that have already been inserted in your course. Number 4, the general number 4. So again, students will use a computer system or other appropriate form of technology, right, to achieve an educational goal. This will be there for you. If this is the one that I want, then I'm just going to go ahead and click on Import. And then I will now have this rubric with that goal along with the ratings of meets expectations or does not meet expectations. Now, if I have no other criteria that I'm grading this by, I can go ahead and get rid of this one. So I just have just this one criterion. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Rubric. Now, when my students submit this discussion post, I will grade this discussion post using this rubric. Now, I can go ahead and give them a grade on the discussion post that's in accordance with my own grading practices, but I want to be able to report this data if they met or did not meet this criterion. So once by using this rubric and clicking on one of these choices, we're going to be able to pull this data from all instructors across campus and then analyze the results. So if you would do us the favor of following these quick steps in order to insert and embed this outcome within one of your assignments, you can choose whichever assignment. We would find it very helpful. If you have any questions, please go ahead and email me, Jennifer Martin, at jmartin@salemcc.edu, or my co-chair, Sam Brewer, at sbrewer@salemcc.edu. Thank you so much.